How do you interpret what the will means?
You basically rely on the four corners of the document. So careful drafting is key, and that's where an attorney can be helpful, especially in complex situations when you have multi-generational families with different kids from different people. But here's the thing. In Arizona, you're going to have several layers of probate. There's informal probate, and then there's formal probate. So informal probate is where most of the cases go where there is not expected to be a fight or a contest. So the judge will simply be rubber stamping the decisions of the personal representative, who's the person chosen by the decedent to be in charge of enforcing their will. And so that person has a lot of responsibility and an ethical obligation to account for everything and dispose of everything the way the decedent wanted. 80% of these cases go informally. It's like a rubber stamping bureaucratic process at the Superior Court probate division. It drags on for about 9 months to maybe a year and a half, but most of the assets are disposed of within that period of time. If there's a challenge to the will by a beneficiary or some creditor, then basically it gets upgraded to be a formal probate. Or if you know that there's going to be a challenge right away, when the beneficiaries come to you and the PR comes to you and says, hey, we know we're going to have a fight. We've already heard from some of the beneficiaries and they don't think the will is fair, or grandma was under duress when she wrote it. If you know there's going to be a fight, you go straight to a formal probate and then just get in front of the judge and you have a trial, essentially, and the judge will decide what the facts are. There is no jury in probate, which definitely means you're going to need an attorney like myself by your side.